Forgotten username recovery failed on Stash app fix. If you've tried recovering your Stash username and keep running into issues, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping important verification steps. The good news is that with the right method, you can regain access quickly. Step 1. Open the Stash app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Stash will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often land in unexpected locations, so missing them is a common reason users get stuck. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information like your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Stash support directly with these details for faster recovery. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to prevent future login issues. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Stash account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your financial information safe and accessible.